Hello and welcome to my channel. Today actually I'm gonna share with you this box that I got from my daughter's school. So last week we had the parent evening for my daughter is King Solomon Academy. So they give it to all the parents who went for the parent evening. It's from the Maya's Found for London. So take and make. So gonna open the box with you. So it has everything you need for a cake. It's cocoa and pear cake. So it comes with a recipe and all the ingredients you're gonna need. We have pear, we have milk, sugar, cocoa powder, self-raising flour, and more cocoa powder, even bicarbonate of soda, cinnamon, apple sauce, and oil as well. So you have everything you need to make this lovely cake. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna leave you the ingredients on the description box. If you like it, you can make it. It's like an easy ingredients anyway, and it's not hard to make. So I'm gonna make it with you today, and I'm gonna leave the ingredient as I said. The only thing I'm gonna need is the mold that's gonna be cooked in it. So let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do in a bowl, we're gonna put the can of pears, and I'm just gonna mash it and then set it aside and take another bowl to so what we're gonna do, we're gonna separate the dry ingredient in a bowl and then the wet ingredient in another bowl. So in this bowl I'm just gonna put all the dry ingredients. So I'm gonna put them through a sifter. So it's 175 grams of self-raising flour, and here we have like a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, you can just leave it. Bicarbonate of soda and the cocoa powder. I'm gonna leave you all the ingredients written on the description box. So yeah, so I'm gonna put them all here and then take another bowl and put all the wet ingredients. Added the sugar as well, just mix it together. It's 75 grams of sugar. So it doesn't really come that sweet, so if you have a sweet tooth you can add more sugar to it, but it doesn't come sweet. So in this bowl I'm gonna add all the wet ingredient. So there's 75 ml of oil, 75 grams of apple sauce as well. Mix it with the oil. And then I'm gonna take the 200 ml of the milk and mix it with the mashed pears. So I already put the oven at 180. And then we'll mix all the wet ingredients together. just pour it over the dry ingredients. And that's it. So now we're just gonna pour the mixture on the mold that's gonna go to the oven. It's about 30 minutes on the oven, depend on your oven, and then leave it to cool down. As you can see, it's very soft. So I'm gonna decorate it with some icing sugar with this tool here. You can leave it like that. You can add cream, like cream cheese on it. It will taste really nice with cream cheese. I just added icing sugar on top, just to decorate it a little bit. You can leave it like that as well. Just quick, simple decoration. And that's it. I got this tool from TK Maxx. It was just like a couple of pounds, I think. So I'm gonna cut a piece with you here just to see from the inside. It's really like soft. The only thing is, like, if I do it next time, I will leave the cinnamon powder. Like, I won't use it because the chocolate and cinnamon I didn't really like that much. But otherwise, it's a really nice recipe. I hope you like it. There we go. So I hope you liked the recipe. I'm gonna leave you the recipe. I'm gonna keep that recipe as well with me. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.